Hello guys, I'm gonna talk about the arithmetic sequence. Here, I'm gonna talk about how to find the common difference, how to find the next term, and how do you find the nth term, and, and how you find the sum until the nth term. First, what is an arithmetic sequence? An arithmetic sequence is a sequence with a common difference. An example of this is 2, 4, 6, and 8. Here, you can subtract 8 and 6, and you will get 2. 6 and 4, you'll get 2. 4 and 2, and you'll get 2. Here, you can find that the common difference here is 2, which means that if you are to need to find the next term, you just need to add 2. So 8 plus 2 is 10. And 10 plus 2 is 12, so on and so forth. Now, if you need to find something below 2, like 2 minus 2, you just need to subtract. 2 minus 2 is 0, 0 minus 2 is negative 2, so on and so forth. Now, that's how you find the common difference. Now, a bit more harder example. How about 100, 200, 300, so on and so forth? Well, again, it's easy. 300 minus 200 is 100. 200 minus 100 is also 100. Then the next term is, guessed it, 400. Well, how about this example? Now, that's a little bit harder, pero you can still do it. Here, you can just trial by error. Like, for example, common difference here is 5, 5, 5. Well, you can't find the common differences. To surely be sure what's the common difference, you need 3 numbers beside each other like this. But you only have 2 here, so you can't be really sure. But you can, again, like I said, trial and error. So 10 plus 5 is 15, that's 20, that's 25. Here, our trial and error has succeeded, and now we found the common difference, which is 5. Okay, how about this sequence? Blank, 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 blank. Now, you don't have any numbers beside each other. So what do? Well, this is where we need to find the next term with this formula. The formula is a sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times d. That's the formula and how we're gonna find all of these. First off, a sub 1 is 4 plus n, which is, wait, first, this is the first term, by the way, first term. We're gonna use the second, third, fourth, the sixth term to solve this sequence. So this is the sixth term minus 1. We don't know the common difference, but we know the a sub n, which is 24, since we're using that as our sample. Okay, now that's 6 minus 1 is 5 plus 4 plus 24. Let's put it here. Okay, now let's change it for here. So now it's 24 minus 4 is equal to 5t. That of course is 20 equals 5t. And then now to divide, the answer for d is equal to 4. Now we found our common difference. So now 4 plus 4 is equal to 8, and then 12, and then 16, 20, And boom, we found the sequence. Now, how about this? How about this? Okay, now with this sequence, we need to find the 20th term with the formula we had earlier, which is a sub n equals to a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times d. We can find the a sub n. A sub n meaning this 20th term. So, first term is 7. A sub 1 is 7 since it's the first term. Plus n. N is 20 minus 1. The common difference is 21 minus 14 is 7. 14 minus 7 is 7. So, common difference is 7. Then, 20 minus 1 is 19. 7, 7. 7 plus 19 times 7 is 133. And then let's change it here. Then 7 plus 133 is 140. So 140 is equal to a of n. Now, we've got this part of the arithmetic sequence got down. So now let's find the sum until the nth term. Now, let's have this example. 6, 12, 18. Find the sum of all the numbers in this sequence until the 15th term. 15th term. So the 15th term. So now we need to find the sum of all these numbers in the sequence. We can find that with this formula. S of n, which is the sum of all these terms in the sequence, equals n divided by 2 times a sub 1 plus a sub n. That's where a sub n comes in. Now, let's find the a sub n first. The common difference here is 6, and then a sub n equals to a sub 1, which is 6, plus n, which is 15, minus 1, then d is 6. So 14, 6, plus, that's 84. And the answer here is 90. Now we got our a of n. Now to solve s of n. Now, s of n is equal to n, which is 15, divided by 2, times a sub 1, which is 6, diba? And then plus a sub n, which is 19. 15 divided by 2 is 7.5. Plus 6 plus 90, which is 96. Now, 7.5 times 96 is equal to the final answer of 720. Now, that's the sum of every term in the sequence until the 15th term. That's basically it for the arithmetic sequence. Thank you and goodbye.